great team. They've gelled very well. They've done extremely well. And we promise to give a very exciting football to all our fans. And we hope to bring the trophy to Goa. Wanted to thank Sydney and Valani to be here with us and for their support for FC Goa as a principal sponsor. Both the co-promoters, Mr. Dempo and ourselves, believe in long-term relationship. We had a sponsor last year, but this year the sponsorship is very significant for us and very meaningful because it is a long-term sponsorship. It is for 5 years sponsorship. And secondly, it is also with a Goan with a big heart and a passion for football. So it is very significant and very important to us. And I would like to thank both Valani and Sydney for being here and for Beto to make it happen along with, of course, Cesar, who's played a key role in this whole thing. So thank you very much, and I'm sure we will go a long way in this relationship with FC Prime.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mais uma vez.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here again.
Em nome do FC Goa, presente aqui nosso presidente, nosso CEO.
In the name of FC Goa, in the presence of our president and CEO,
Gostaria de agradecer ao Sr. Sidney, a senhora Valani, que estão aqui da FC Prime Market.
I would like to thank you, Mr. Sidney, Mrs. Valani, who is here representing private markets.
Dizer que é muito importante a participação dos patrocinadores no desenvolvimento dos clubes, principalmente devido à importância que o FC Goa tomou aqui na região.
Say that is very important. It's a huge importance to have sponsors in football, especially with the kind of measure that FC Goa has taken in Goa.
Em Goa e também acho que na Índia inteira pela boa participação que teve ano passado na ASL.
Not only for what Goa represents in Goa, but in the whole of India, for what has done in the last ISL.
Agradeço a confiança e a gente continua trabalhando firme para tentar honrar o nome da marca e conseguir ótimos resultados aqui para o Goa.
So Sidney, I thank you for the confidence, and we hope that we can continue to work to represent the brand as we have done in the last ISL in Goa.
Os jogadores estão muito determinados, conscientes da importância de fazer uma grande competição e conseguir vitórias, e com isso valoriza não só o clube, os torcedores, mas também os patrocinadores.
The players are very committed and aware that the importance of doing a great season, a great ISL, to give back what the club and the sponsors are giving to the players.
Muito obrigado.
It's a great feeling to be associated with two great people, first of all, in Goa, that is Raj Salgaonkar and Srinivas Tempo. I am a Goan, so it feels all the more proud to be associated with them because all my life in Goa, from schooling days, I have seen Dempos and Salgaonkars play, and we have grown up. I'm a footballer earlier as well. I played for Dempos as well in my younger days. So it feels all the more proud. I take the privilege to thank Mr. Raj and Srinivas as well for giving us the opportunity to be associated with them and to take football to a completely different level, which we want to be a part of. ISL it's just in its infant stages, and when we were given the opportunity, we didn't want to say no, and I didn't hesitate a bit to jump on it and to make sure that we are there to support football and to take it to a completely different level, not only in Goa but all India and probably globally as well. So this was a completely this sponsorship deal is just not a partnership. It's as Mr. Raj has said, it's a relationship that we are looking forward to because it's a 5-year term that we want to build football into a brand, FC Goa into a different brand that what we want to see it. And yes, with the names like Zico, Beto, Lucio, and all the Goan players that we have, Romeo, Mandar, all these guys. I think so. FC Goa has been the team because I have personally watched them play in Dubai, where I come from, and I think so. The team is in very good shape, and I think so. We are there to will make a lot of difference this year, and I think so. We are good, very good to win the trophy this year. Thank you.
I believe this is a very significant and a very important day. Uh, uh, so, India really experienced a new structure and a new level of football through ISL, and FC Goa somewhere or the other was right there on top. Be in terms of fan engagement, be in terms of the quality that we put on pitch and went up to the semi-finals, or even the support that the corporate kind of extended. I think 1 year was a great experience for everybody to figure out what to do next. And that plan is being set up today. 5 years, ladies and gentlemen, is a very, very significant number of years. And somewhere or the other, principal sponsor coming in and committing themselves and the might of the company behind developing the brand of FC Goa is very, very important for me. I certainly come from a business side. And somewhere or the other, I believe that while we are trying to really build this home for FC Goa, we have family members kind of joining us, and we have family members coming in kind of supporting us. Similar to FC Prime Markets, which certainly is very important and the principal sponsor of the team, we also have finalized quite a few number of other partners, which is reflected in the press release, which makes us feel very, very happy to really kind of start off the season on 4th. Secondly, very important day for us. All that we are talking about, this deal today can be followed on our official website, which is www.fcgoa.in. And we coincided the announcement of our principal sponsorship along with the launch of our website. So certainly a very, very happy day for us at FC Goa. I think it's a new concept. It's a new sport for the country. Yes, while it was limited to certain pockets, I think India is kind of waking up to the virtues, not only from the performance side, but also from the business side. I think sports in general is a difficult sell in India, and football certainly has a certain bit of history and certain bit of baggages which we are trying to move away from. Having said that, ISL has captured the imagination, and especially within ISL, the clubs that have done extremely well. We've obviously spoken enough about FC Goa. We have Kerala, where again the traction is very, very, very high. It's about translating that traction onto a meaning that you would offer to a corporate. And that is a conversation which is not a one-off conversation, Marcus. I think it's a continued conversation. And as I said, we will go along, bringing in more family members, bringing in more partners to do this family, and we'll grow along with the club in terms of the overall structure. So to be very, very specific to your question, I think yes, things have kind of improved over a period of time, but I see a great bit of improvement happening further. But we are very, very happy to announce, and it is reflected in the press release also, that we have secured partnership, which is very significant, which is very important, and which is very long term. And you'll hear a little bit more about it in next 2 to 3 days, and you'll see it on the FC Goa brand.
It's nothing to do with football club. It's basically forex and commodities, prime markets. It's a company based out of Australia. We are basically forex brokers, and we are one of its kind globally who offer the product as well as manage it for you. Okay, so we have people like who have working class and individuals who do not have the time to physically do forex trading or get into the trading part of it. So we offer our expertise in terms of managing that part as well. So we are licensed out of Australia with our head office in Dubai. So that's what the company is all about.
And Limos Foundation, tell us about
Limos Foundation is basically pretty close to my heart because it's something that what we are trying to promote on the social front as where we, if you see, it clearly says Limos Foundation, right to dream, right to live. Right to dream is basically for we support orphans and underprivileged children, and right to live is for people, elderly people, old age people who do not have proper houses to stay or something of that sort. So we are coming up, we are stepping ahead, and we want to support this this cause. And it's not only that it started now; it's been started over a period of 4 years. It's only that we want to talk about it, and we want people to be more aware about it right now. If we have started back in Dubai. What we basically do under Lemos Foundation is that we run a football club as well by the name of FC Bardes. Okay, it's quite popular back in Dubai. We are one of the best in Dubai. We have football players only across Goa who participate into leagues which are there over a period of over the weeks and during holidays. And I'm happy to tell you that we have a cream of football players who used to be in Goa, okay, who are there with us, like names like Orlando Vegas, who is the current coach of our team in Dubai, who was an ex-Dempo player as well. So we have a good name, and what we do under this banner is that we engage players, or we get into players who have been playing with professional teams in Goa, but have not been able to make a mark for themselves in Goa. But if they were given a proper stand where they could be shown as good players, I think so they could have done much better. But that